Good morning, Year 6, and welcome to Friday, the 22nd of January's maths lesson. Another week has flown by. My word, what is happening? Okay, let's get in with what we're going to be doing today. I'm sure that you are really keen and ready to work. So, if you have book 1 at home, you're going to turn to page 34, and this time you're going to be looking at some 3D shapes. So, you're going to be identifying cuboids, cubes, spheres, and pyramids. Okay. Now, there's plenty of things online, plenty of pictures and images that you can see that you will be able to work those out, okay, and match them up as you meant to be doing in question 1. Question 2, you need to find the sphere and colour it in one colour and the cube in a different colour. And then you've got to circle any of the shapes at the bottom that are cuboids. So nice and straightforward today, and I'm sure that you are going to do incredibly well. So book 1, page 34, you're looking at 3D shape today. Okay, if you are on, if you have book 3 at home, you're on page 30 and you've got some problem solving with money again that you're going to be doing, and you're going to be working out how much change from varying amounts as well. Okay, so the first one, you need to read the question really carefully. So if I do A with you, it says Claire spent 15p and had 11p left. How much did she have at first? So at first means to start with. So it tells us that we need to add those two totals together, 15p and 11p, okay, and then we can find out how much she had to start off with. So she's got 15p and 11p, okay, add that together, and she started off with 26 pence, okay, 26 pence. And all of the others, you just read them carefully and you should be able to work out what you need to do. Now, subtraction chart, you have got 28p and 39p across the side, and you've got lots of other monetary values in pence along the top of the chart, and you've got to work out what each of those numbers is taken away from 28p or from 39p. Okay, so for example, you've got 28p take away 13p, and some of these, you'll be able to do in your head. I'm just showing you a method that you can double check and know that you've got it right. Okay, so 8 take away 3 is 5, 2 take away 1 is 1. So, okay, 28 take away 13, 15p. Okay, right, the bottom one, you've got to work out how much change you get from a pound. Okay, how much change you get from a pound. All right, so, board's acting up today. Right, here we go. Must know it's Friday. So let's have a little look then. So we know a pound is 100 pence. So 100 take away 18 is your first one. So I do it like that, and it's testing your knowledge of your zeros. Okay, so 0 take away 8 I can't do. If I'm not next door, then there's nothing there. So I need to go to the end there. Okay, that's going to become 9, and that's going to become 10. Okay, because I'm having to borrow straight away off that one. We have done this type of subtraction before. So 10 take away 8 is 2, 9 take away 1 is 8. So I end up with 82p change. Okay, I'll do another one. 100p equals a pound. So I'm going to take 45 this time. I'll do the last one. So I've done the first and the last one with you. Okay, so we're taking away again. So same thing. I can't do 0 take away 5. So we're not next door, nothing there. So we go right to the end. That becomes 0. That would become 10, but I'm using straight away, so I make it 9. and then that becomes 10 at the end. So 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 4 is 5. So I end up with 55p change. Okay, so lots of problem solving, but nothing that I know you can't do. So book 3 people, you're on page 30. Okay, right, everybody else, you are going to have a little look at page, your book 4, sorry, and page 28. And so you're starting off with questions such as, how many 5p pieces have the same value as a 1p coin? So different ways you can work that one out. You can count up in fives till you get to 100, and then you know how many you needed. All right. You can think, well, two 5 pence is a 10p. So, right, I can work it out that way because I know 10 10p coins equals a pound. So, can I multiply that so that I know how many 5p coins? Okay, or you could do a division like that, 105 into 100. Okay, any of those methods would be great. Okay, then you've got again some problem solving. Okay, now you might need to use addition, subtraction, you might even need to use multiplication. Okay, and you might even need to use division as well. So you might need to use all 4 number operations. So have a little look. So the second one says a bar of chocolate costs 24p. How much would the cost of 4 be? So you could either do 24, add 24, add 24, add 24, or simply 24 times 4. Whichever method suits you. Okay, and the last one there, share £1.20 equally among 3 girls. So you don't need to worry about the decimal point, put it in. Okay, and then you just work it out the same way. So you've got 3 into that. So you do 3 into 1. Can't do that. So put my 0 there, and it goes over and I'd work out the rest of that problem. Okay, so have a little look at that, my method there, all right, and see if you can do that. Okay, so then you've got some other questions, and you've got to write in words for number 2. So it's asking you, by how much is 29p more than 14p? It's just asking you, really, it's a long-winded way of asking you the difference between 29 and 14. And you've got to write it in words. So you'll write the value of your answer in words. So if it's 15p, okay, you would write 15 pence. Okay, I'm not saying that's the answer, but that's how you would do it. Okay, then it's recapping a little bit of your fraction work from earlier in the week. Okay, you've got to find a quarter. It says a quarter of Bill's money is 18p. So find 3/4 of his money. So you can do it one way or another. Okay, so you can say, right, well, 1/4 equals 18. So if I times that by 3, okay, I will work out what 3/4 is. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, that's probably the easiest way to work that one out. And then it's what's the cost of 5 raffle tickets at 55p. So, you know, again, you could do a repeat addition or you could do a short multiplication. And then this time you're going to be working out change from £5. Okay, so for each of those. So I'll show you how you need to set them out. Okay. So if we have a look at A, so £5, we would write like that, and you're going to be taking away because you're working out the change. So all of these will be take away. So just like we had with the double zeros with the book 3 people, they were having a look at change from pound. you're working out change from £5. So remember, 0 take away 7. If we've got a bigger number down here, we can't do it. So can't, not next door there. I've got to go all the way to the end here. That becomes 4. I'm borrowing straight away, so that becomes 9. That's going to be 10. Okay. All right. So 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. I'll put my decimal point back in. Okay, and 4 take away 2 is 2. So my change is £2.63. All right, so you will be using that method for all of the rest of those questions. Good luck. I am sure you're going to do incredibly well, and I really look forward to seeing your work. Have a lovely weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.